Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to guide you through a powerful meditation for the full moon in Taurus. So, as an earth sign, Taurus connects us to security, physical comfort, sensuality, and the tangible aspects of life. When the full moon illuminates Taurus, it shines a light on these areas and encourages us to consider how we build safety from within, nurturing a foundation of trust and safety in ourselves. So tonight, as we work with this energy, we'll be focusing on finding self-safety. And self-safety is crucial in healing from abuse because it provides the foundation for rebuilding trust, both within ourselves and the outer world around us. After experiencing trauma, our sense of security can be shattered. Cultivating self-safety means creating an inner space where we feel stable, grounded, and protected regardless of external circumstances. It empowers us to make choices that prioritize our well-being, to set healthy boundaries, and to regain our sense of autonomy. When we feel safe within ourselves, we can begin to heal and trust our instincts and reclaim control over our lives. We'll also use this time to manifest abundance and stability. Taurus energy isn't just about survival, it's about thriving, enjoying the beauty and pleasures of life. So as we connect to this grounding energy, imagine yourself planting seeds for the future, a life where you feel safe and supported and surrounded by what you truly need to grow and flourish. So as we move through this meditation, allow yourself to feel supported by the earth beneath you. With each breath, ground deeper into your sense of worth and trust that you're enough. Together, we'll release what's blocking this inner security, invite in more peace and clarity, and build a foundation that will carry us forward. So let's begin. Take a moment to become comfortable and take a few slow, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose, allowing the air to fill your lungs completely, and then exhaling fully through your mouth. With each exhale, imagine releasing any tension or stress held in your body. Feel your muscles soften and relax, letting go of any tightness or worry. With every breath, allow yourself to settle deeper into this moment, becoming fully present and at ease. Taurus is a sign that cherishes security, both emotional and material. It reminds us of the importance of creating an internal foundation where we feel steady and supported, no matter what external events come our way. This full moon invites you to assess your own foundations, to explore how you can bring more stability and peace into your life. This is a powerful time to release anything that disturbs your sense of safety and to make room for what truly supports and strengthens you. As you continue to breathe, allow your body to feel heavy, as if you're being gently pulled down towards the earth. Imagine the ground beneath you rising to meet you, strong and solid, holding you up with unwavering support. Feel the strength and stability of the earth below, grounding you and connecting you to a source of infinite security. Know that you are safe and held in this space, supported by the earth's energy and the steady rhythm of your own breath. Each breath you take deepens this connection, allowing you to feel more at home within yourself. Take a few moments to really absorb this sense of inner safety and strength. Imagine it filling you up like a warm, steady light that glows from within, bringing you calm, peace, and resilience. Know that this feeling of self-safety is always available to you, no matter where you are. You can carry it with you like an anchor within your heart, a grounding force that keeps you steady through all life's waves. Bring your awareness to the energy of Taurus. This energy invites you to appreciate the beauty in the simple, steady rhythms of life, in the gentle sway of the trees, the solidness of the mountains, the warmth of the sun. Taurus reminds us that true strength often lies in the quiet presence of things that are always there, holding and supporting us in ways we may not always see. Imagine now that this steady, nurturing energy of Taurus forms a warm golden light around you. Visualize this light as a protective and comforting blanket that wraps gently around your entire being, embracing you in feelings of safety and strength. As this golden light moves closer, feel its warmth seep into your body, relaxing you and easing any tension. Allow it to settle into your heart, into your mind, and into every part of you. This golden light fills you with a sense of security, reminding you that you are supported in ways both seen and unseen. And feel how it anchors you, connecting you to not only the earth below, but to the rhythm of life itself. As you breathe, imagine this light grounding you further, linking you to the vast, steady energy of the earth, a source of unbreakable strength that is always there for you. In this light, let yourself feel deeply connected to the natural world and all of its abundance. Feel the ways you are held, supported, and nurtured, just as the earth supports every tree, every flower, every creature. Know that you too are part of this great web of life, and that you are deserving of this safety, this comfort, this abundant energy that flows through all things. As you rest in the warm, golden energy of Taurus, gently bring your awareness to areas of your life where you desire more stability and security. These could be aspects of your relationships, your home, your career, or even your sense of self. Allow any area where you feel unsteady or uncertain to gently rise into your awareness without judgment. Simply noticing where you crave a deeper sense of grounding, safety, or support. As you think of each area, imagine yourself already feeling safe. Visualize yourself in the relationship you value, feeling respected and appreciated and cherished. Imagine your home as a sanctuary, a place that offers you peace and comfort. Picture your financial life as steady and abundant, with resources that provide ease and stability. See the people, places, or resources you need to feel grounded coming into your life. Perhaps there are supportive relationships, safe spaces, or fulfilling work that uplifts and sustains you. Imagine these elements surrounding you now, filling the golden light around you. Feel them blending into the energy that holds you, creating a bubble of strength, abundance, and calm that envelopes you completely. Know that abundance can show up in many forms. Trust, love, friendship, inner peace, financial well-being, or simply a sense of inner calm. This golden light reminds you that true stability begins within, and that you have the power to cultivate safety, fulfillment, and abundance from the inside out. Allow yourself to welcome this abundance, to feel worthy of it, and to trust that it can grow and sustain you in all areas of your life. As you continue to breathe deeply, notice any thoughts or feelings of lack or scarcity that may arise in your mind. Notice any worries about the future, concerns about not having enough, whether that be money or time or love or resources. Pay attention to any self-doubt that may surface, particularly doubts about your own worthiness, or fears that you're not enough, or that you won't be able to manifest the life you desire. One by one, gently place each of these limiting thoughts or beliefs into the warm golden light surrounding you. Visualize them dissolving as they make contact with the light. Feel the light's nurturing warmth dissolve these fears, doubts, and worries. Allow each thought to dissolve completely, releasing its grip on your heart and mind. As the beliefs and fears melt away, feel your energy lighten, your shoulders soften, and your heart expand as your breath becomes deeper and more full. With every release, make space for more of what you truly desire. Feel your heart opening as you release each limiting belief, making space for the truth that you are deserving of all the blessings and abundance that the universe has to offer. With every breath, trust that you are worthy of stability, of security, and of the deep peace that comes from knowing that all your needs are met now and always. In your mind, repeat the affirmation: I am worthy of peace, stability, and abundance. I release fear and embrace the steady flow of support and joy that surrounds me. As we come to the close of this meditation, take a deep grounding breath. With each inhale, draw in the peace and security that you've created within yourself, and with each exhale, release any remaining tension, knowing that you are held and supported. In this moment, reflect on the sense of self-safety that you've cultivated. Know that this feeling of groundedness is always available to you at any time. You have the ability to return to this safe space within yourself whenever you need it, no matter what external circumstances may arise. Trust that safety begins from within. When we create safety for ourselves, we can then begin to experience it in all aspects of our lives. As you move forward, remember that you are worthy of feeling secure, at peace, and supported. You have everything you need inside of you to navigate life with confidence, knowing you are enough and deserving of love, abundance, and calm. With each breath, affirm to yourself, I am safe. I trust in my ability to create safety within and around me. I am grounded, secure, and supported in all that I do. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the connection to the earth beneath you. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying this sense of self-safety and stability with you. Trust in your own power to create the space you need for peace, grounding, and abundance. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May you move forward from this space knowing that your safety is always in your hands and that you are worthy of all of the stability and love that the universe has to offer. Namaste.